Ever noticed one arm doing all the work while the other just tags along for the ride? Shopping cart, whether it's carrying groceries, pushing doors, or lifting grandkids, strength imbalance between your left and right side can sneak up on you and steal your independence. But don't worry. Today we're going to show you how to bring your body back into balance, with simple steps, right from home. What is strength imbalance? Muscle imbalance happens when one side of your body is significantly stronger than the other. This is very common, especially as we age. You may not even realize it until you start to lose function in daily tasks. But here's the good news: you can fix it. One simple exercise that helps is the seated single-arm resistance band press. Sitting upright in a chair. 1. Secure a light resistance band under your foot. 2. Press upward with one arm at a time. 3. Do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps, starting with the weaker arm. This simple resistance band press is your secret weapon. It targets each arm independently, helping your weaker side catch up in strength, safely and effectively. An exercise tool that helps is the resistance band with handles. Here's how it works. 1. Provides consistent tension. 2. Adapts to your strength level. 3. Easily portable for at-home or travel use. These bands are affordable, gentle on joints, and perfect for building symmetrical strength over time. Also, know that a weekly diet plan is important to support balanced muscle development. Should focus on protein, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory foods. Day meals and focus areas. Monday through Friday: oatmeal plus berries, breakfast; salmon plus quinoa plus spinach, lunch; chicken plus sweet potato plus broccoli, dinner; Greek yogurt or almonds, snack. Saturday through Sunday: tofu stir-fry plus brown rice, eggs plus sautéed greens, fruit smoothies, beans and lentils for variety. Daily hydration: 6 to 8 glasses water plus 1 herbal tea. Know that muscle symmetry doesn't just come from lifting, it comes from eating. Focus on protein, leafy greens, and colorful foods to support recovery and fight inflammation. Data sources and backing includes 1. National Institute on Aging, NIA, age-related muscle loss. 2. Mayo Clinic, benefits of resistance training. 3. Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy, unilateral strength training in older adults. 4. American College of Sports Medicine, ACSM, muscle symmetry guidelines. These trusted sources all agree, small consistent efforts lead to big balanced results, especially as we age. Just remember that you're never too old to restore balance. Start small, stay consistent, and watch both sides of your body grow stronger, together. Hit the like button, share this video with a friend who needs balance, and subscribe for more senior-friendly fitness tips. Also, see 10 Solutions, muscle strengthening ebook and other support products in the description.